Oh, crafty peeps, what's a girl to do? Hi there, it's Enis from Papercrafting with Enis, and I am on with another haul, and this one is an office supply haul. So this is my second haul from there, and the first one was rather small. This one, on the other hand, is much different, okay? So, yeah, I'm going to try to get through it as quickly as I can, but can't guarantee anything. So, this is what we have. First of all, I did pick up a couple of stickles, and I actually am out of the twinkle, and I don't think I've had icicle before, so I did grab these. And by the way, I do have my price sheet here. So I'm going to tell you what I paid for these. These were $2.32 each. And I did have a coupon special going on too, so I did get some money off at the bottom of my cart. And then I picked up this package of We Are Makers Fuse Decorative Tips. Now, I have this tip and this tip that came with my fuse tool, but this one never really seems to want to roll properly, so I did pick this up, and I paid $5.20 for that, so I think that's a pretty good deal if I can get them to work properly. And then I have been wanting this, and this came, by the way, all ripped up like this. This is the We Are Makers Fuse Mat with the holder combo, and I don't care about the holder. I just wanted that mat there. And maybe this is just a regular silicone mat. I'm not sure, but I thought I would give it a try and see if that doesn't help me out with using my fuser. So this one, let's see, was $11.50. So I don't know if that's a good deal or not. I mean, I guess most of the things on Office Supply are good deals. So anyway, I got that. And then I picked this up. Now, this is the Slimline Punch Board, and you can create slimline cards as well as envelopes. And of course, I know I can make them without a punch board, but I've been wanting one of these for a long time, and their price was pretty good. Let me see what it was. This was $13.79, so I'm guessing that's a good deal. So I'm looking forward to trying that out and adding it to my We Are Memory Keeper punch board. So I'm going to put that aside. And this was inspired, I think it was Diana from Diana Loves Colors, I think, shared this. She had ordered the Summer Lemonade paper. I can't remember exactly what the name was. I had picked some up too. That was my first order with them. And she bought the black and the yellow glitter paper, and I don't have any yellow glitter. And this black looks really, really good. So I thought I would give this a try. And these were both $2. Oh, wait. The, let's see. One of them was $2.68. The other one was $2.53. So I don't know which one's which. It doesn't say on there. It just says ombre. So this is the sherbet lemon, and this is black sapphire. And then I saw this. Okay. Yeah. I've mentioned before, I love Minte and Stamperia papers, and I saw this adorable paper collection. These are 8x8s by Farrell Taylor. 10 double-sided face sheets, and it is so adorable. Look at that. I couldn't resist it. I just couldn't. And it is a pad. And I picked up two, by the way. And let me see, how much were these? $7.72 each. So we have the cut-aparts and the sayings. Love, love, love. Look at this little fairy. She's adorable. I love the colors in here. Look at that fairy. Adorable. And over the little house, or the little town there. Look at the frog. Okay, I fell in love with him as soon as I saw him on his way to his little pumpkin house. So cute. This is almost like looking at a storybook. We've got this beautiful plaid. We've got the mushroom house. Look at this boot made into a house. Cute. There's a little spider there. So pretty. I can just see a beautiful journal made out of this. Love, love, love. We've got little Mr. Nomi there. This picnic basket and a little bit of wood grain. So pretty. Another cute fairy. This one's got some words in the background. A leaf pattern here with woods in the background, or leaves, words in the background. And then we've got some, look like 4x4 cut-aparts. So cute. And that's the backs. And then we've got these. Such a cute collection. So cute. I'm loving it. And more cut-aparts. Did I say there were 2 of each? No, just 1 of each. And I picked up 2 pads. So that is the Romantic Collection Whispering Woods. Love, love, love. And then we went a little crazy on ephemera and a few paper pads. Okay, so this is a repurchase for me. I did use some of these on some projects I did already, so I grabbed up another one of these, and I'm not going to give the prices of these. If you're interested, let me know, and I will get with you on that. So this is Woodland Grove 6 layered stickers, and I did pick up a number of pieces for Pink Paisley's Joyful Notes. So I grabbed 2 ephemera packs, and I don't know if these are the same or not. No, they are not the same. You get 61 pieces, and there is what's in there. And this one, these have larger pieces, and I see some more vellum. This has vellum as well. Very cute. I picked up the 6x6, and I picked up the 12x12. And I think I will open the 6x6. Hang on one second. For some reason, I have a tickle in my throat that doesn't want to go away. Please don't tell me I'm catching something else. I don't want to be sick no more. I'm trying. Okay. Joyful Notes. This one has 36 sheets with foil accents, 6x8. And let me see, anything special about this? It doesn't say other than the foil accents. And these are single-sided, by the way. So cute. I'm just going to go through these quickly. Many of you have probably already seen it. This is new to my stash. Very nice. Love the quality of this paper. It's nice and thick. This is fun. You got your library cards there. A nice quilt pattern with some foil accents. Pretty blue and blue floral. And is this repeating? Let me see, what's the first page here? Oh, come on. Nope, I guess it's not repeating. Okay, and then this repeats. All right, so that's Joyful Notes by Pink Paisley. Love that. And let me push that aside. And then I picked up another parasol, 6x8. This is 36 sheets with foil accents. And I think we've all seen this before. I think I shared it in a previous haul, so I'm not going to go through that one. That's really pretty. And then I picked up, let's see, this is all Paige Evans' Happy Haven, I believe. I think that's all. This is all Paige Evans. So I got the puffy stickers. Very cute. I got 2 packs of the ephemera. There's 63 in each. And there's a close-up. Really nice. Nice variety. Okay. I got 2 of the sticker sheets. There's 85 pieces. Oh, there's front and back. 85 pieces per pack. Really pretty summery and spring colors. It's a nice stack of books. We got B there. Oh, look at the little safety pin. So cute. And there are foil accents in here. Love the crane scissors. Okay. Got some word sentiments down here. And this side we've got some washi strips that are really pretty. Some large pieces here. Just really cute. Sorry for the glare. I could take them out of the package, but you know, I've already taken up enough of your time. And then I picked up 2 of the, I think these are foam stickers. Yeah, foam stickers, and these are 51 pieces. This one I will take out if I can get it open. Okay, now I couldn't find the paper pad on this, so of course I will be on the hunt for that, but not right away. Look at this. So pretty. And you can pop each of these out. This is like a Polaroid, and then there's a frame inside and another frame, and then you got the butterfly, and we've got this gold button here, florals, the bee, you belong among the wildflowers. Reminds me of a Tom Petty song. Matter of fact, I could probably sing it to you, but I don't want to. Seasons change, and so do I. Oh, it sounds like a lot of these are music bits. Huh. I don't know a lot about this collection, so, but yeah, coordinates with music. So anyway, that's my stash. Lots and lots and lots. I got a lot here. I did use the 10% off. They said 10% for your total up to $150. And my bottom line total, including tax and ship. Did I get free shipping? Tax. Oh yeah, I did get free shipping. Was $74.15. Yeah, that's a nice bill here. And then some of them I have 2 of each. So, yep, that's my haul for today. Some things that I've been wanting to get and try. Some things I was out of stock on, and some new things to my stash. So that's what I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed this office supply haul, and I am now busily deleting all of the emails that come in from scrapbook.com and Temu and AliExpress and Office Supply and a variety of other places that I order from. Little Birdie Craft. I mean, you name it, I'm deleting them, okay? At least through the month of April. Help me, people. Help me, okay? But thanks for sticking around. Thanks for watching. If you see something that you like, hey, drop me a note down below and tell me what your favorite item was. Was it the super cute Whispering Woods collection? Love. The glitter cardstocks. The super fun, and I can't wait to use, slimline punch board. My fuse tool decorative tips, the pink paisley, or the little bit of parasol, and I got the, what is this one here? Gosh, I got so much stuff I forgot. The Paige Evans Happy Haven. Yeah, drop me a note, let me know what your favorite is, and I will catch you all in the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.